Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin and how this range that we've been trading for the last couple of weeks, months, uh, and where this can find a way out and trade more probably to the upside, taking in consideration of the bull market. How they behave and how this ribbon band tends to be the support zone for the retracements along the way to the price running to the upside. So I was trying to look for a place that we can see a change in the pattern direction, and if we use focus in the area we are being stuck in, we can better analyze this section just and try to figure out if there is a common day count in between sideways action. So as here we can see how we first have U formation in the top, and we have three sections, probably the up section, the stock section, and the downtrend section for consolidation, then decisive move either direction, but we can predict that it will be to the upside because of the market we're been trending for a while. All this back into the 2023 we have this uptrend, so the most common exit should be to continue that pattern. If no, then we have bigger issues in the medium to long term for this uptrend. So first we can take the last candle that we show in the session, that was this one. We have a nowhere to go for this one as well as this one. This is the 4-day chart. I find it more interesting in this timeline. So we can take this from the first section point, then all the way up to the we found the failure for the continuation, that was this candle. After that we have a severe punishment to the downside because there were no more buyers left. So that should be our first section. And if we try to find the second section, we can see the candle for the retracement, the failure candle, that was this one, all the way to the last time we found no volume left to, or buyers left to continue the second chance, that was actually this one. And what you can see is that we have a perfect timeline similarity in both ranges. So if you're guessing where does the next one should be, it might be the same. And actually we are not yet completing the 8-bar 30-day, the 8-bar section for the exit point. As you can see here, we have, after this one was the failure because we have a big retracement, so we take this one, then we count 8 bars, and as you can see, it's all the way onto the 22 of February, that is tomorrow, when we can still print a downside candle, and we will still be on track for after candle of decision, more growth, being to the down or being to the upside. or more strict candle out of this common range, local monthly range of several months. So we can figure that on the 26th we might have a break, February 26th. And if you've been watching the previous videos, we can also look that we have also the confluence with the Litecoin chart. And this is, I just realized this one, so it's not actually anything in common that I didn't, it just stuck to be here. You see, it's just been there for a time now. It's not made to be this way, but it might be just happening on the 26th, after the 26th actually. So yeah, so it's crazy how sometimes the market just figures out by itself. So I mean, this is not can be written in any type of thing. We can saw a massive sell-off to shake the market down, and it would be out of anything that the market tends to be common. But so we cannot guarantee this. This is not any way a prediction, because we are just measuring date lines and behaviors of the market, and anything can go wrong, right? But we can see a massive crash to the downside to test the bottom of the range or even lower, and then just come back again to the upside, like fake out, and then probably continue out just to exit this range. We can see a fake out, then a continuation. So this have to be taken with certain caution. But the only thing that I'm trying to say here is, like, we are on track for this kind of consolidation. So sometimes it's just good to take position to the sideline and just wait for the things to happen and come to you, always planning in a way that you won't be harmed, but the things are in the chart. Everything can happen, and breakouts tends to be a good place to leverage trading, but you need to know what are you doing, because you can end with a lot of losses in this kind of high volume breakouts, especially in this one, because we have this one since all the way from the beginning of November all the way to the end of February. So it will be explosive one, but can break either way. We can have fake outs. We're gonna have a lot of volume too. You need to measure your stop losses and try to plan for the worst. That way you won't be burn all your positions. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.